Hi, this is Dave for Expert Village. Today we're going to be making some Cajun Shepherd Pie. Alright, so now we're going to show you how to chop up a bell pepper. This is going to be finely chopped for our Cajun Shepherd Pie. Right, so you get your knife, just cut this right across, and I like to take this part, because you want to get the seeds and the ribs out of there, because they're kind of tough anyway. Put this in to a bowl, or just right into the can. So you see, so now it's nice and clean. Do the same thing with the other half. Just like that. Get the seeds, and you're going to want to rinse these. So then what I like to do is just lengthwise like this. And just kind of line them up and turn them this way. And you make them as fine as you'd like. For this recipe, fairly fine. And you just cut them across like this.